Hello everyone, welcome to Asha's Realm. Today I'm making potato fry. And the ingredients that we need are potatoes. Here I took around 500 grams of potatoes, peeled and chopped into pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, some 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and some curry leaves. Come on, let's start cooking it. Switch on the stove and heat a pan. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, add potatoes. Currently my stove is on a medium heat and fry it. Stir it occasionally and let it fry for 5 minutes without closing the lid. Okay. Now close the lid and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and see how it looks. Slowly it's turning to golden color. Now again close the lid for 2 more minutes. Let's see how it looks. That's slowly becoming a bit crunchy. They are almost halfway cooked. So at this stage I'm adding crushed garlic. I have peeled garlic cloves and crushed them. Now put the lid on for 2 more minutes. Let's see how it looks. Slowly it's changing the color. Add some curry leaves. Stir it occasionally and fry these for 5 more minutes. Now we don't have to put the lid on, just fry it. Slowly they are becoming golden brown color. It's almost done. Just fry for 1 more minute. Then we can add all the spices. This is very simple and easy recipe. Now reduce the heat to completely low. Now it's time to add all the spices. Turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder, it's a coriander powder, and salt. Now put on the lid for 1 minute and then it will be done. Now it's done. I just close the lid so that all the spices will absorb to that potato. Now it's done. Switch off the stove and serve this on a serving bowl. Potato fry is ready. It's a great combination with rasam rice, sambar rice or dal rice. But I love to eat just like that. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and see you in next video. Bye.